अब हम बात करेंगे reagents and supplies की that are required for northern blotting. Again, an important point, any solution, any buffer required for northern blotting needs to be prepared in DEPC treated water that will be RNase free water. जैसे कि हमने बात की, we have three major steps: pre-hybridization stage, hybridization stage and a washing stage. We are going to need pre-hybridization buffer which is commercially available, but we can have composition that is sodium phosphate buffer along with the sodium dodecyl sulfate, that is SDS, and EDTA is present there. Then we have different types of washing buffers, but they are based in sodium chloride and sodium citrate buffer, SSC buffers, that will be 0.5x, 1x, 2x composition, and with or without SDS. The different concentrations of SSC is basically made these washing solutions make difference in the strength of these washing solutions. So in certain case we have to use the strongest or the concentrated solution. In subsequent steps we may need diluted solution so that the washing can be done efficiently with maximum removal of unwanted radioactive material after hybridization is complete. यहाँ पे जो न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स हैं हमारे पास दो किस्म के हैं. वन दैट इज़ द RNA which is immobilized on the membrane. The second nucleic acid is going to be the probe, which is radio labeled and is having a specific activity of 2 raised to into 10 raised power 8 cpm counts per minute per microgram. It can be double stranded DNA or it can be RNA. This nucleic acid will act as a probe for hybridization. Special equipment में we need blotting paper, then we need boiling water bath preset at 68 degrees centigrade, then hybridization oven or a water bath that is preset to hybridization temperature. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज़ का जिक्र करना ज़रूरी है कि हमारे पास जो मेम्ब्रेन है उसको हाइब्रिडाइज करने के लिए हमारे पास डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस हैं. ईदर वी कैन यूज़ अ प्लास्टिक बैग विद अ सील or we can use a round glass bottle which is designed for hybridization with a plastic cap above it. The round glass bottle is more efficient in performing the hybridization with minimum risk of leakage of the radio labeled buffer, so that protecting the researcher or the worker who is doing this hybridization process using the radio labeled material. On the other hand, the plastic bags which are sealable, they have the chances for leakage of the probe, and if the probe is leaked out in the hybridization buffer, in the hybridization oven or in the water bath, then this is very difficult to clean or to get rid of the radioactivity because of that leakage. So it is always advisable to the students or to the researchers working with the radio labeled material to ensure their protection and use or prefer those methods in which there is the least risk of any kind of leakage of radio labeled or radioactively containing liquid or waste material.